Welcome back everyone! It's time for another video, and yes, we have a package from the Redline Club, and yeah, another big box. They seem to have upscaled their boxes recently. Maybe that's to try and protect some cars inside better during shipping, I don't know. But yeah, I'm really excited for this one here, because well, you already know what it is. I don't fully know yet, so I'm not going to say, so I don't look like an idiot. Maybe he doesn't even know what he's bought, oh my god. I'll be honest, I've bought quite a few things on Sale Creations recently, and they've all waited forever to ship. Right, you've all seen what it is already, so let's just hurry up. But yeah, it is what I expected. It's the Elite 64 Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. Now, oh my god, I'm re-dropping it. I'm pretty sure, well, it showed on the listing, this has parts that can be removed, which is very awesome. I like the information on the back. It's basically all just saying not applicable. Length not applicable. It's just so long it can't be measured. Width is infinite. It's just that wide. It's a wide boy. Yeah, it does have a custom twin turbo 6.5 litre V12. Ooh. Nice. So yeah, did I buy two to open one up? No. Am I going to open this one up? Yeah. We're braving it. Whoa. But yeah, so, like I said before, after opening the Chevy truck and getting a bit more used to the Redline Club stuff, I'm getting a little bit more lenient towards opening some up, but I think this is one that we just can't not open up, just because of the features this car has. So yeah, let's have a nice gulp at the box there. Elite 64, got the Lamborghini on the front, I mean, you know the drill. In terms of opening this one, I guess our plane of attack will just be to cut around the outside, and then maybe I'll just keep the card art as a flat piece or something. I just really have to see the features of this. I'm really excited. What I'm not excited for is this bit. I've got to carefully cut around the car without accidentally cutting said car, because that would be quite disappointing. I also don't really want to cut the cardboard too much, or even myself. I have a habit of, yeah, having slips with tools. Whoa! It just popped open. This one really wanted to be released. So, ow, it's already coming apart! Oh no! Well, at least we know it does have features that come off. So it had like another bit of plastic insert there. Look, I've got a nice little protector for my car that I'm never going to use. And there's the there's the card with a window. Ooh. Ooh. That's a thumbnail idea, that is. I wonder if I could pull that off. If there's a thumbnail that looks something like this, I did good. Right, let's waste no time. Let's waste no time. Get into this awesome looking car. So, we've already got this bit here that removes, and look at that. We've got all the bracing there to strengthen up the car, and then we have the engine all detailed up in there. That looks awesome. That's very, very nice. And the top cover. The top cover. The top cover pops in there like that. Oh, that's sweet. That's so cool. Now, I have to familiarise myself with... Doesn't want to stay in, does it? I have to familiarise myself with what actually comes off. I think the spoiler. Oh wow, yeah, the whole. Maybe I shouldn't have pulled on the spoiler like that. I don't think the spoiler comes off. The bumper. Or does the spoiler come off? Oh yeah, it does. The spoiler comes out. Oh wow. Yeah, you can tell these are made for collectors and not kids, because these just wouldn't pass any regulation as to. Well, they'd have to make it for adults. It wouldn't be, wouldn't have a thing saying no free sad onions on it, because they'd definitely eat this. The Lamborghini bumper would be consumed by a 3-year-old. Right, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So all the back comes off, and look at that. We can see the twin turbo exhaust pipes there. Oh, wow. That is mental. That is mad. Nice real light detail as well. While we're here looking at that, that's very, very nice. Liberty Walk written on the side. There's the awesome Liberty Walk body kit, the nice wheels on there. Are they based off Lamborghini ones specifically? Very unique wheels. I don't actually know if have we seen these before? They look pretty unique to me, but I'm pretty sure I've not seen those wheels before personally. That's really nice, and we've got the front light details and the Lamborghini badge as well. Really, really cool. I think that was all that comes off of this one. I'm pretty sure. Start pulling on things to break it apart. Look guys, the wheels come off. Oh no they don't. Okay, I had to have a quick check up on the Mattel site. These are indeed the opening features here. So you can take all the rear compartment off, and the spoiler, and the rear, the rear hood or bonnet in effect. So you can see the awesome detail they've put into this engine bay here. Really, really highly detailed. It's so cool. Those twin turbos look so neat. This is by far, this is awesome, and by far well worth opening. Definitely a shame to keep this one locked away in the plastic prison, because you just get to miss all these awesome features. That's so cool. You can sit the bumper back on there, and yeah, there's a little bit of a notch there, but you know, if you don't really like the massive wing, which could be a little, I mean, even I think it's a little bit OTT. If you don't like the massive wing, you could put that in a safe place and just store it like this. That still is a very cool looking car and a very cool Lamborghini, but of course it needs all that downforce. It probably does, to be honest. How does this go in? Slots in that. There we go. And there's it with its massive wing on the back. That is so awesome. Very, very glad to have this one. And it wasn't actually too much money. It was sort of, from memory, it was sort of the regular price for one of these Elite 64 cars. And you get all these extra opening features. Well, not opening, but falling off features, shall we say, as that one likes to do. That's probably the only downside to this, but I mean, how often will you be turning it upside down? I thought that's going to be the one thing. Someone comes into your Hot Wheels room and starts touching up all your cars, go, ooh, oh, I broke it, and it falls off and goes under a desk, never to be seen again. Yes, I have people that come in my room and touch all the things. So annoying. But hey ho, there we are. That is really, really cool. I absolutely love this. Oh, so nice. That's going to have pride place in my new display when I get round to building it. He's been saying for the past 2 months. So yeah, that is really awesome. But of course, I'd love to hear what you think of this car down below. Did you snag one up for yourself? Yeah, let me know down in the comments. And while you're down in the comment section, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and all that amazing stuff. Be sure to stick around, because there's going to be some more awesome Hot Wheels content coming out soon. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope you're all doing well. Good luck on your peg hunts as always. And I shall see you next time.